Good day everyone, this is Casio F201W and in this video I will show you how to set up the alarms. Okay, this watch has 5 alarms and let me show you that. So first we need to move from this timekeeping mode to the alarm mode, and to do that press the mode button once. So now we are in this AL or alarm mode, and here we can see 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is the signal. So we have 5 alarms and also 1 hourly signal. You can press the start stop button to move between the alarms. Okay, now how to set up the alarms. Actually, the alarms in this watch is multifunction alarms, which means that you can set up not only as a daily alarm but also monthly alarm, 1 month alarm, and also date alarm. But for this video we will only show you the daily alarms, which means we will set the hour and minute but not the month and date. Okay, now let's set for this alarm number 1. Let's say if I want this alarm to goes off at 6 in the morning. To do that, first we need to push and hold the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and now we can see that the hour is blinking. And then I will push the start stop button 6 times. So now we have this 5, 6, okay, here 6. And then I can move to the minute by pressing the mode button. Okay, now the minute is blinking, and I can set the minute but not now because I want it to be 6 in the morning exact, so not 6:15 or 6:30 and so on. But if you want to change this, you can press the start stop button to increase the number. Okay, next, if you press again the mode button, it will move to this one, the month, if you want to set up the multifunction alarm. And also if you press once again, it will move to the date, but let's keep it for now. I'm going to press the mode button, and now we are returned to the hour. And to exit from this adjust mode, just press the adjust button once and done. Now we have the first of the 5 alarms active. As you can see here on the indicator, alarm number 1 is active. And special for alarm number 1, you can also activate the snooze feature, which we can set by pressing the adjust button on the top left once. So now we can see here that the snooze is active and alarm number 1 is active. And you can cycle through the options. You can press again, it will be off for the alarm number 1, and if you press again, it's active only as an alarm but not snooze, and so on. So now I will set it as alarm number 1 active with snooze feature. Okay, now let's move on to the alarm number 2. To do that, we can press the start stop button. Okay, now we are in the alarm number 2. And then if you want to adjust the alarm number 2, we can press and hold the adjust button on the top left until the hour is blinking. Now I want to set this up for 5 in the morning, so I'm going to press the start stop button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But let's say this one is 5:10, so I'm going to press the mode button to move to the minute, and then press the start stop button again 10 times. So now we have this alarm at 5:10. Okay, and then after that, if we press the mode button, it will cycle to the month and also the date, but we will skip that. So done. I'm going to press the adjust button, and we are exit from this adjust mode for the alarm number 2, and done. So we have alarm number 2 active. If you want to deactivate this alarm number 2, you can just press the adjust button. So now it's off. If you want to bring it on again, then press it once more and it's on, and so on. You can do the same thing for alarm number 3, 4, and 5. But as a side note, the snooze feature only active for alarm number 1. You cannot use it for alarm number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now next for the hourly signal, which means that the watch will give a beep sound every changing of the hour. You need to press again the start stop button. So now we can see no number here and no hour here, only 00 means every 00 minutes or the changing of the hour. We can activate the signal by pressing this adjust button. So now you see here a small SIG letter, which is showing that the signal is active. And if you want to deactivate again, just press this adjust button once more. Okay, done. But now let's just set it as active. Okay, so now we have alarm number 1 active with snooze. So I'm going to press this one, start stop button, to cycle. Okay, alarm number 1 at 6 in the morning with snooze. Alarm number 2 at 5:10 without snooze. because the snooze only available for alarm number 1, and then 3, no alarm, 4, 5 also no alarm, and the signal is active. And yeah, that's all. You can exit from this alarm mode by pressing the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode, or you can press and hold like this. Okay. And by the way, if you want to see the review of this watch, you can also check in our channel. I will put the link in the description. And yeah, that's all for this little awesome watch with 5 alarms and 1 signal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.